to me, Francis.
Ah, sounds like you got a wet cough.
What's a wet cough?
Well, a wet cough is like a regular cough, only with phlegm. So if you have a wet cough for more than 4 weeks, it could be a sign of lung sickness, and we need to get you to the clinic. We all want our mob to grow up big and strong.
Let's kick this wet cough.